In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline requests using Asana forms. First, let's head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, no worries, just click on Get Started or try for free to create your account. Once you're logged in, the first step is to create an Asana project. Having a dedicated project for handling incoming requests is crucial for staying organized. You can name this project something like Request Intake or Team Requests to keep it clear and purposeful. Now, if you prefer, you can choose to start with a template. Asana offers various templates that can give you a head start. However, if you want to customize right from the start, feel free to create a new project from scratch. Next up, let's design a form in your new Asana project. Go to the Forms tab and click on the Add Form button to get started. Designing your form is all about capturing the necessary information you need for each incoming request. Consider adding fields like the requester's name, the priority of the request, whether it's low, medium, or high, a deadline or timeline, and a detailed description of the request. Make sure to include options for attachments or supporting files, as well as a section for additional notes if needed. Customization is key, so tailor the form to suit your specific process and data collection needs. It's important to set required fields to ensure that crucial information is captured. For example, fields such as the description, priority, and deadline are all essential and should be filled out before a request can be submitted. To make your workflow even smoother, it's time to automate some actions in Asana. You can set up rules to handle follow-up actions seamlessly. This might include automatically assigning a new request to a team member or labeling it based on its priority. Automation helps in reducing manual interventions and ensures that important tasks are never missed. Once your form is polished and ready to go, it's time to share it with the right people or teams who will be submitting requests. You can do this by sharing the form link. The link can be posted in various places like a Slack channel, sent out in an email, or even embedded directly onto your website for easy access. This will enable everyone involved to submit requests efficiently and consistently. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to streamlining your requests with Asana forms in no time. It's a fantastic way to enhance productivity and manage requests effectively within your team. Thanks for joining and happy organizing.